Hello students, here is experiment number 3 to study the flowers adapted to pollination by different agencies. Learn the way to write this experiment in your practical notebook through this video. Start writing the objective of the experiment, that is, to study the flowers adapted to pollination by different agencies like wind, insect and birds. Next, write the requirements. We require fresh flowers of maize or any other cereal or grass, flowers of salvia and bignonia. We also require forceps, hand lens and slides. Write the theory related with pollination and agents required for pollination. The process of transfer of pollens from anther to stigma of either the same flower or another flower of the same species is called pollination. Pollen grains immobile होते हैं and they require agencies to reach stigma. External agencies may be abiotic like wind and water or may be biotic like insects, birds, bats, etc. Now write the procedure. Place the given flower on slide and observe it with the help of hand lens. After this, note down the adaptations of the flowers meant for pollination by the external agencies. First flower is bignonia, ornithophilous flower. The flowers pollinated by birds are called ornithophilous flowers. The flowers of bignonia show following adaptations for pollination by birds. First, the flowers pollinated by birds are odorless and are bright colored that attract the birds. Second, the flowers are tubular in shape and curved that facilitates nectar sucking by birds. Third, while sucking the nectar, the pollen gets deposited on their beaks and neck. इसके बाद birds pollen को transfer कर देती हैं to the plant they visit next. Small birds like hummingbirds feed on the nectar of flowers like bignonia and pollinate them. After this, draw the diagram of flower in your practical notebook by using sharp pencil as shown here. Second flower, salvia flowers, entomophilous flowers. The flowers pollinated by insects are called entomophilous flowers. The flowers of salvia show following adaptations for pollination by insects. First, the flowers are brightly colored for attracting pollinating insects. Second, the flowers secrete nectar to feed visiting insects. Third, the flowers have landing platform for insects. फ्लावर्स की शेप ऐसी होती है जिससे इंसेक्ट्स उस पर इजीली आकर लैंड कर पाएं, उस पर इजीली आकर बैठ पाएं. Fourth, the pollens are sticky, large, heavy and rough so that they stick to the body of the insects. Fifth, the stigmas are also sticky so that the pollen deposited are not dispersed. Now, draw diagrams A, B, C, D in your practical notebook by using sharp pencil and write these important points below each diagram. For diagram A, the flower is with mature anthers and with enclosed stigma and short style. For diagram B, write shedding of pollens are shown on the back of entering insect. For diagram C, flower with mature stigma and withering anthers. And for last diagram D, write stigma is receiving pollens from the back of entering insect. Third, maize flowers, anemophilous flowers. The flowers pollinated by wind are called anemophilous flowers. The flowers of maize show following adaptations for pollination by wind. First, the maize plant is monoecious, means एक ही plant पर both male and female flowers present होते हैं, and maize plant bears unisexual flowers, means flower is either male having stamen or female having pistil. The male flowers are born in terminal inflorescence while female flowers are born in axillary inflorescence. See the position of male and female inflorescence in the diagram. Point 2. Flowers are small, colorless, odorless and nectarless. Point 3. Both stigmas and anthers are exerted, means they hang outside the perianth. बाहर की ओर निकले हुए होते हैं both stigma and anther. Fourth point. Pollen grains are smooth, small, light and are produced in large numbers. Fifth point. Stigma is long, sticky and feathery to catch floating pollens. After this, draw diagram as shown with the help of pencil in your practical notebook. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for staying with me. Subscribe the channel to get the information about my new video. Thank you so much.